Hi and welcome to the thriving township of Ripley. I'm going to break protocol today and I'm actually going to ask my beautiful Stella Val to tell us a little bit about how awesome it is to live here and about her beautiful home. So Val, can you tell us a little bit about living here and why you love your home?
Yes, we've lived here for 18 years, 18 happy years, with family, grandchildren, but everyone, they've all grown up now and hardly come home anymore, so this is too big for us. So we're in our mid-70s and it's getting a bit too late. Move on. Needs a family here.
It definitely does. It's a beautiful family home. We've got 4 bedrooms, ensuite, multiple living areas and a big in-ground pool. But let's check it out and see what you think.